how to set auto delete cache in CapCut PC. And okay guys, here in your computer, go to CapCut application. In CapCut homepage or dashboard, okay, go to gear icon on the upper right side on your screen. Okay, click this and go to settings. Here in settings on the top menu, okay, go to project. Here in project, you can see here the cache management. And the cache management is set into don't delete cache files. So you can set into auto delete cache files by selecting this second option. Okay, you can click the circle button on the left side of this auto delete cache, and after you select, you can set the days of this auto delete cache. Okay, you can click the arrow down and set the days. So for my example, I set into 90 days. And after that, after you set the auto delete cache, okay, click the save button below to save these settings. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully set auto delete cache in CapCut PC.